Yo, 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 we are back, Vegas. Let me show you what JD's been in here doing since you last saw us. Check this out. Even primates can get down, I guess. Now, isn't that just beautiful? Oh no, here he comes. What's up, JD?
You're in my work area, sir.
Bro, I'm so sorry, man. I think this...
See, you two people, if I have to work overtime, it's because he's over here playing Mr. Hollywood.
Oh, you're Mr. Hollywood, sir. Look, folks. Like I said, we're the professionals here. Let us do our job. That's all we're asking. What a difference. What an improvement. You know what? This guy just went from like 1980 to 2010 in like, no time at all. Yeah, who wants a stereo like that? That's detachable face, folks.
Hell yeah.
It's custom. Come see us. This is where we're at, folks. We're going to continue our journey here inside this customer's vehicle. We are, as I said, also going to include bass for this gentleman. Oh no, the lights on that Escalade are crazy. Hey, Mr. Escalade, how are you? Well, thanks a lot, Tom. Yeah, so folks, as I said, we just in here doing what we're doing. Come see your boys. Come see Tom. Come see JD. Come see Little Mike. Let us hook you up. Let us tint your ride. Let us hook your ride up with music and beats. But believe it, folks, lifetime warranty on the installation on the window film, the window tint. Lifetime warranty on the installation, because we know we are doing the job well done. We're not afraid of what we do here, because we are like the best at what we do. We're your hometown greatest and latest, folks. LV Tint Masters, 702-371-1617.
We are what the Raiders are to Oakland. LV Tint Masters, baby.